me! In front of me is Amazon Fire 7 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to select apps and notifications over here and then click on app permissions. Following that, just pick one of your device's features like location and select one of your apps, like maybe camera. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, camera no longer has access to this device location. If you wish to allow it, you can always click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!